In this video, we compare Smart Robotic Vacuum Cleaner and Roborock Q5 Pro Vacuum. By the end of this video, we hope you will know which of these two products suits your needs. The ROPVACNIC Smart Robotic Vacuum Cleaner is an intelligent device equipped with a high-powered 3000 PBOS Cyclone Cleaning System, ensuring a 30% increase in cleaning efficiency across various surfaces, including hardwood floors and low-pile carpets. Its smart technology allows for easy control through an app or voice commands, offering a hands-free cleaning experience, and is compatible with Alexa or Google Assistant. With a slim design of only 2.99 inches in height, this robotic vacuum can easily access hard-to-reach areas under furniture, while its dual rotating brushes effectively sweep and collect dust and hair from overlooked corners. Designed with pet owners in mind, this vacuum features a no-entanglement design and a 600 megaliter larger dust box to efficiently collect pet hair, eliminating the need for manual cleanup. The device offers scheduled cleaning and self-recharging, starting and completing its cleaning tasks independently, providing you with a clean home upon your return. The vacuum comes with 6 cleaning modes that can be customized through the ROPVACNIC Smart app, ensuring a comprehensive and intelligent cleaning experience tailored to your needs. The Roborock Q5 Pro Vacuum is equipped with a DuoRoller Brush and a powerful 5500P pass suction, providing exceptional cleaning on various floor types and deeper cleaning on carpets, making it an ideal choice for pet owners. The vacuum features a large 770 milliliter dustbin and water tank, allowing for extended cleaning sessions without the need for frequent emptying or refilling. With the PreSense LiDAR Navigation system, the Q5 Pro efficiently maps your home in seconds and finds an optimal cleaning route, providing precise and accurate cleaning. The Q5 Pro offers simultaneous vacuuming and mopping with a 180 milliliter snap mop system, effectively removing fine dirt that might be missed by vacuuming alone. The all-rubber multi-directional brush resists hair tangles and is particularly effective for cleaning long and pet hair. Control of the vacuum is made easy with the Roborock app, where cleaning schedules, suction power, and routines can be set, and it also supports voice control via Amazon Alexa, Google Home, and Siri shortcuts. The ROPVACNIC Smart Robotic Vacuum Cleaner and the Roborock Q5 Pro Vacuum are both effective smart cleaning solutions, each with unique features that cater to different cleaning needs. The ROPVACNIC Vacuum boasts a high-powered 3000 POS Cyclone Cleaning System, which increases cleaning efficiency by 30%. On the other hand, the Roborock Q5 Pro Vacuum impresses with a powerful 5500 POS suction and a DuoRoller Brush, providing a deeper cleaning on various floor types. The ROPVACNIC's slim design allows it to reach difficult areas, while the Roborock Q5 Pro stands out with its large 770 milliliter dustbin and water tank, offering extended cleaning without frequent emptying or refilling. Both vacuums offer app and voice control for a hands-free cleaning experience. The ROPVACNIC model is particularly advantageous for pet owners with a no-entanglement design and a large 600 megaliter dust box. In contrast, the Roborock Q5 Pro offers simultaneous vacuuming and mopping, a feature that might be preferable for those seeking a more thorough clean. In terms of navigation, the Roborock Q5 Pro employs a sophisticated LiDAR navigation system for precise mapping and cleaning. Both models offer scheduled cleaning and self-charging, ensuring a clean home upon your return.